Okay, kids, let's introduce ourselves again to weather and climate. Why? Because we are doing Gail Herman's book. The entire book covers climate change. What is climate change? The impacts, the solutions, and so on. So, this is chapter 2 of the book. We looked at the basics of climate, climatology, anomaly, change, trend, etc. Now, we are going to get into the various evidences of how we know global warming, climate change is happening. So let's start by again defining what is weather and what is climate. The book says your mom dresses you up in the morning based on today's weather. She would have seen the forecast to see if it's going to rain, if it's going to be hot outside, if it's going to get cooler when you get back home or when you're leaving early in the morning, and so on. So, day to day, you have weather, and even though you are a small kid, you may know that winter is likely to be colder than summer, right? So if you are on a summer day, let's say August 1, and somebody asks you whether December 1 will be colder or warmer, you know that December 1 is likely to be colder than August 1 in the northern hemisphere. And that is climate. You expect December to be colder than August, but a given day like August 1 in summer may end up being cooler than a winter day like December 1 because heavy rain came and some cold wave or cold blast of air came from the north, let's say, and you ended up August 1 being cooler than December 1. So you expect December 1 to be cooler because that's climatology, that's climate, and you know it. But given day is weather. So we usually say climate is what you expect. You expect December to be cooler than August. Just by experience, you know that. But a given day is what gets weather, and it may just turn out to be cooler than expected on a summer day or much warmer than expected on a winter day. So climate is what you expect and weather is what you get. So when we say climate change, global warming, it is the climate, the low frequency weather. I use the word frequency, but like an average weather over a long time is beginning to get warmer and warmer. We'll see later that maybe there is maximum day temperature that's maximum for a given day or a minimum. So we also look at maximum temperatures, minimum temperatures, and see which ones are warming faster, the maximum or the minimum, and so on and so forth. But just for now, remember climate, weather, climate, what you expect, weather is what you get. So we'll meet in the next podcast, kids. Okay.